Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change a timeout after time in Doctor. Now, what you want to do first if you get things like this, right? You want to reduce the time or you want to increase it, you just come here to your dashboard, click here on settings, okay? And then you get a drop down. From here I want you to choose users, and from here you'll see all your users for your team. And all you want to do here, timeout after, you'll see this one, okay? And then you can just click on that person here for that drop down, and you can change the time. So let's say I want to make it every 3 minutes, okay? You just toggle that. So now it will ask us to go ahead and confirm that we want to set it to 3 minutes. So click here, set to 3 minutes, and it will be saved. As you can see, it has been updated, and now the timeout after has been set to 3 minutes. So that is how to change a timeout after in Time Doctor.